Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to set up a payment gateway with Infinitepay.io. Setting up a payment gateway allows you to accept payments online securely and efficiently. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Infinitepay.io account using your username and password. After that, navigate to the payment gateway or integrations section. This is where you can set up and configure your payment gateway. After that, select on Setup New Gateway or a similar option to start the setup process. Choose the type of payment gateway you want to integrate, such as the credit card processor or e-commerce platform. Follow the prompts to enter the required information such as your business details, payment references and API keys if applicable. Configure additional settings as needed, such as transaction fees, currency options and securely settings. Now you need to save your settings and test the payment gateway to ensure it's working correctly. Make a small test transaction to verify that payments are processed smoothly. Once everything is set up and tested, you can start accepting payments through the Infinitepay.io payment gateway. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to set up a payment gateway with Infinitepay.io. This setup helps streamline your payment processes and allows you to manage transactions efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.